Hi viewers! Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the DJI RS4 Mini, and for the purpose of our video we used our GoPro 13, but we do have a Panasonic Lumix S5 and it weighs 2.2 pounds and a gimbal could withstand 4.2 pounds. The great thing for this gimbal is that it could hold big cameras and it also stops isolated shakes, and also great for movement videos. Also, behind here you get a USB port and a USB cable, and this is perfect because this could attach your camera to your gimbal, which allows you to have control of your camera through the gimbal. Let's get to the meat and potatoes of the controls. Now here's the control of the gimbal. The first thing I want to talk about is the sides here. There's switches on the side. We got the pan, tilt, follow. The camera follows your hands up and down, left and right. Roll stays level. Best for reveals, tilt, and dramatic movement shots. Then you got the PF, which is the pan follow. It's the camera follow left and right only. The tilt and roll stays locked. Perfect for smooth tracking and cinematic pans. Then, lastly, you have FPV modes and a 3D roll. Unlocks full creativity movement. Enables immersive angles, 360 roll shots, great for stabilizing in high energy visuals. And here is going to be your main screen, and as you can see, FPV is still on there. Lastly, I want to talk about is this portion, and this portion you also could see, like if you wanted to do the different levels, like let's say you're running or you're doing a slower pace of a film, you could change it through here. And you have also smooth and responsive depending on how you're being creative with your camera and if you want a smooth pace or a faster pace. Second also is that sport mode. If you want to do that, you press M, trigger twice, and you have activated sport mode. And you can see the running man in the top corner. And lastly, on the sides here, if you want to lock your joystick, you could lock it that way. I'm going to unlock it. And so let's show you a cool trick, a 360 camera roll. Welcome back, viewers. I hope you liked our hike. I really enjoyed the gimbal. I hope you guys get one too. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I'll see you next time. Bye.